Welcome back. Today we'll talk about the fuel of artificial intelligence, data. You may have heard people say data is the new oil. But what does that mean? Just like oil powers engines, data powers AI. Without it, AI is just an empty shell. Imagine trying to train a voice assistant without audio recordings. It would have nothing to learn from. There are different types of data that AI uses. Text data like emails or books, image data like photos, audio data like speech, and video data which combines both visuals and sound. All of these are the raw materials for AI systems, but here's the catch: not all data is good. If you train AI on poor quality or biased data, the results will be unreliable. There's a saying, garbage in, garbage out. The quality of data matters. That's why companies spend so much time cleaning, labeling, and preparing data. Here's an example. Netflix recommendations depend on clean data about your viewing habits. If that data was wrong, Netflix would suggest shows you don't like. In business, better data means smarter decisions. In healthcare, it means better diagnoses. In short, the future of AI depends on the quality and quantity of data. Think of AI as the car, and data as the fuel. Without fuel, the car goes nowhere. So now you understand why data is often called the new oil. In our next tutorial, we'll dive into neural networks, the engines that process all this data. They're inspired by the human brain and make AI so powerful. So join me in tutorial 4 to explore how neural networks work. Thanks for watching AI Made Simple. See you next time.